I followed the instructions in the manual but could not connect. My internet service provider ReadyLink advised me to disable DHCP and gave me the IP address and other configuration details. I configured the router using Netgear Genie. The second problem that came up was the different IP address in my mobile phone. Surprisingly, when I used my IP, it showed another IP address which was identified as Airtel, and it was unusually slow. The ReadyLink technician gave me lot of guidance. Finally, I figured out that when I switched on the Wi-Fi on my mobile, the secure Wi-Fi was also on and it was creating a VPN which slowed the speed. After this issue was sorted out, I now find that I am able to get Wi-Fi connected all over my flat, including the restroom, with no reduction in speed. It is a huge difference from my earlier D-Link router DIR600. This is probably one of the purchases made on Amazon of which I am thoroughly satisfied. Netgear Nighthawk X6 SAC 4000 Tri-Band Wi-Fi Router R800OP router is relatively inexpensive, and it's a great choice for small homes or 1 or 2 bedroom apartments. Netgear has improved this model from the previous ones. I tested it in 2017, adding Tri-Band and MIMO. On my toughest test, it has proved with the best performance and range. I think it's the best router that people can buy for less than $250. Nighthawk router is a breeze in terms of the speed. It is a tri-band router and has many features which is worth the money you are spending on it. A must-buy for all those people who don't compromise on the internet speed. Highly recommended, and I am the most happiest person as the product is amazing. I loved the device in all aspects except the range. The box says that this has 3 years hardware warranty. See attached pic, but when you register the device you only get 1 year warranty. I am not sure how this can be or who to approach for this. The box says 3 years but you get only 1 year warranty when you register the device on the website. Why does the company fool people like this? Pros: 1. The Genie app is super cool. 2. The advanced settings can be controlled from anywhere. I love this feature as I am able to check when my kids log in and control the access and rate of service, guest accounts, etc. 3. The parental setting is really good. You want to be sure you keep the filth of the internet from affecting young impressionable minds. 4. The LED lights are really non-intrusive and don't light up your room at night. 5. Supports a plethora of devices. 6. Didn't need to be rebooted from the day I have bought the device. 7. I use HD streaming to my live TV and the device is able to handle the load as well as my other devices flawlessly. 8. The QoS is an amazing feature that really helps as well. 9. I keep this device turned on always and it works just fine. Cons: 1. Takes close to 30 seconds to reboot. Click link in description for more reviews.